When you wake up in the morning, do you often feel that you're in a rush, that you're stressed, that you don't have enough time to get ready to start your day? If this is you, then watch this video. In this video, I'll share with you morning routine. Most successful people have a morning routine. Having a morning routine will allow you to get a good start of your morning and set the tone for the rest of the day. Morning routine also gives you this momentum right from the start to allow you to build more momentum throughout your whole day. Hi, my name is Dr. Erwin. I help high performers create habits to lead a happy and successful life. In this video, I'll share with you morning routines of successful leaders, and I'll share with you my morning routines. Let's start with Arianna Huffington. She's author and creator of Huffington Post, which you may have come across. So she wakes up without any alarm at all. Once she gets up, she takes 1 minute for deep breathing and then gratitude, and then after that she sets her intention for the day. Next one is Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Group. He also has a morning routine, and he may be known to be predictably unpredictable, but if there's one thing that he sticks to is his morning routine. He finds that having a morning routine helps him to have a structure for his day and helps him achieve what he needs to. So his morning routine is to wake up whenever the sun rises. He wakes up. So he has his curtain open and the sunlight actually wakes him up naturally. That's usually about 5 a.m. Once he's up, he'll start doing some exercise. So he'll usually go and play some tennis or go for a swim, or if there's enough wind, he'll go and kite surf. After this session of workout, then he'll have his breakfast. He usually have a high fiber breakfast and spend time with his family. So the exercise and family time helps him to kickstart the day and be focused in what he needs to do. So having a morning routine will give some structure to the start of your day and will help you to win the morning. When you win the morning, you are more likely to win the day because you build in this momentum. And this is one of the things that it's important to set up for yourself, because you can't wing it. You can't wing a morning routine. You need to set up a morning routine that will fit you, that you will do consistently every day. Once you create these habits will create you. My morning routine starts at 7 a.m. I set my alarm at 7 a.m. and once I get up, I spend time to meditate. At the moment, I'm currently using the Love and Kindness meditation, and I meditate for about 15 minutes. After my meditation practice, I usually do some visualization. Visualization is a powerful practice that you can do. When you visualize, you're actually reprogramming your subconscious mind to help you achieve what you want in life. So I usually do visualization for a couple of minutes. After the visualization, I have daily affirmation that I'll tell myself. So these daily affirmation are very personal things that I've written, and usually the daily affirmation does not last too long, so about 2-3 minutes. After the affirmation practice, I get a glass of water and then I usually do some stretches, because I find that when you do some stretches in the morning, it helps you to keep your energy. There's something powerful when you use that first golden hour when you first wake up, and use that to invest it in yourself, in your mindset, in what you're going to achieve, to set the tone for the rest of your day, and helps you to start building momentum to win the morning and then win the day. So having a morning routine is so important. I'd like to know, what is your morning routine? Comment in the comment section, what is your morning routine? And if you like this video, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe for more video. Take care everybody. Bye bye.